Investing in accessibility benefits everybody, the entire travelling public.
Around half of autistic people responded in some way to tell us that they don't make journeys because essentially because of their autism, and the fact that they are autistic means that they face barriers with the transport system.
Sometimes staff book assistance and it's not met at the other end, so there's passengers left on the train or on the platform not knowing which way they can go.
Not all developments are accessible for everybody, and in fact some developments, for example in some of the cycling improvements, have actually made things worse.
Those bikes that people just chuck on the floor, those e-bikes, so as a blind person I walk pretty fast, so luckily I've never really fallen over one.
We really need to be sure that anything that we're designing and implementing now is really being done with disabled people at the forefront.
When we think about accessibility and inclusivity, these little tiny things that can be done, these things that we already have on our policy don't cost a lot, but actually have the biggest impact.